We're going to do something a little bit different at today's all-staff meeting. As you all well know, we do quite a bit of training. We try to send people to training, but we really don't have an opportunity to do some in-house training of our own. So today we're going to use this in-service to provide you with some information, to do some training. We're going to talk about customer service. Sharon Belton is here to present that, and we're also going to talk about the recovery relief effort and also taking the agency to the next level. But what I'd like to say, since we're all in the room together, and I've said this to some staff, but I'd like to say it to all, I appreciate all your hard work during the recovery effort. Give yourselves a hand for all that. The storm hit on Monday. We had people out on Tuesday, okay? We were fully staffed in the recovery centers by Wednesday, okay? We were the only Metro agency out there in the recovery centers at that time. We put 800 hours towards the recovery effort. Council has recognized our skills and our abilities out in the community. They acknowledged it in our budget hearing, that they recognized we were at Hadley and what we were doing with the recovery effort, and praised several staff members. So again, I just can't thank you enough. We couldn't get into our facility, as you all well know, because of the flood, but when we called and we asked you to help and come out, you didn't hesitate, even though some of you were going through your own issues. The homemakers went out, there were streets you couldn't get through, you had to maneuver around, but you still performed your job. The nutrition program went out, still delivered homebound meals to the people they could reach, and the congregate program was up by Thursday, okay? I just can't say anything else about it. We're blessed. I'm blessed to work with such a great group of people. I tell, anywhere I go, I talk about the social service staff. So I was looking for that opportunity to get our name out there, to talk about what we do in case management. And the flood brought the opportunity. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Love the name badges. Love the name badges. I want to start by saying I appreciate, again, the teams that went out for the disaster relief centers. You all did superb work out in the community, and again, just give yourself a round of applause. I'd like to start out by saying this year has been a phenomenal year. We have placed about 127 people into housing year to date, and the year is not over. And so those individuals are basically, majority of them are still in housing. And we have also assisted 475 individuals in maintaining housing this year. So give yourselves another hand. That is a hard thing to do, is to keep people in housing without a lot of financial resources. Currently, our homeless unit team, we have been given the opportunity to work with other agencies to provide case management. And we are working with the Tent City community and trying to get them back into housing or get them into housing. As you all know, the Tent City moved out to Antioch, and last week Linda Shelton, bless her heart, and Tarver Smith and I, we went out to Tent City out in Antioch and sat basically in their living rooms and provided case management. And we will be working with them on an ongoing basis to get them into housing.
the Magnificent Seven has been out doing a lot. We cross-train and we partner with every other division. We have someone who we do nutrition services, we do homemaker services, we do intake and assessment services. We are just flexible around. What do we do best? We adapt to change to meet customer needs. All right. Let me see. What else can I say about it? Of course, we have, when one shines, we all shine.
Yes. Yes.
We have the NASW Citizen of the Year Award, social worker, Demille Broderick. I also had the distinction of being involved in the Stratford Cluster Fair. Sorry, I messed up. And it was the largest attended event ever, where a partnership that involved Metro Public Schools and a community agency. And Angela Winters was a part of that.
We have to be able to recognize that we internally is a support team. We have to be able to recognize that we exist because of the agency. And this year we have provided, last month, May, we provided a total of 17,712 meals were delivered and served last month. I am so appreciative. And I really thank everybody for working together, doing what you know to do. Yeah, when someone asks you, what do? We provide quality, dignified services to a Davidson County resident.
Good morning.
Good morning.
As you all are aware, the Homemaker Program has been in existence since 1981. I would like for the homemakers to raise their hand because they are the backbone of Without the homemakers, we would not be able to provide the services to the customers of Davidson County. They come in when they're sick, when we were out from work because they work out in the community. You know, we were able to call them from home. The supervisors, you know, we had no paperwork at home basically, but they did have the telephone numbers of the homemakers, and they were calling from home and having the homemakers contact them through their mobile phones in order to provide the services to the customers of Davidson County through this disaster that we had in Nashville. We also had a homemaker that was part of the disaster. You know, she also continued to provide services to her customers during this time. So that shows you the dedication of the homemakers that we had in this program. And like I said, we could not survive without them, and we want to let you know publicly that we appreciate the job that you do, because it would not be a program. I'm off on Mondays, you know, right now. And I get a call yesterday morning, and it's the licensing person, and it says, well, Pat, I just wanted to call you and tell you that I'm coming a little earlier this year than I did last year. I said, okay. And I said, well, when are you coming? I'll be there in about 30 minutes. Yeah. And I just started laughing. I mean, I just cracked up. He said, is that all right? I said, it has to be. But he came, he went through our records, and we passed with flying colors.